Welcome to our SalesCaptain tutorial series. Today, we'll guide you through the process of adding a new user in SalesCaptain. Follow the instructions below to easily complete this task. Click on Add User. Fill out first name, last name, email and phone number. Click on Next. Click on Assign Roles. Select role for the user. Enable the section to grant the user access to the desired features or content. Select the access level for Inbox. Click on Save. Copy the password and share it with the user. We've also sent an email with credentials. If you miss the password, check the email for easy access. In this guide, you learned how to add a new user in SalesCaptain. By following the step-by-step instructions, you can easily onboard new employees and facilitate their training process.